What's up guys, That Girl with the Kicks here with another unboxing video. Before I start, I just want to give a mad shout out to Do You Like My Kicks, or actually Do You Like My Shoes, sorry about that, Do You Like My Shoes, sent me out this Sneaker Freaker mag, which is dope, mega dope, awesome. So thanks so much for sending me that was really sweet of you, appreciate that. So go follow Do You Like My Shoes on Instagram, link will be in the description. And now, my phone is hopping. Without further ado, let's get into the unboxing. I feel like I've been waiting forever for these. Oh my lord, I am so excited about these. LeBron 12 Low Premium, you know what it is. Oh man, oh, check that out. We've got the LeBron 12 LeBron Palmers. Honey's like, oh, I want to smell those. Alright, so I've got the camera moved around. Apologies if this video is all over the place. I've just been having the craziest morning, so my head is just all over the shop. Anyways, the story about these is that they released originally in Foot Locker Europe, and the price was in sterling, and the price was ridiculous money. So I passed on that, and then they dropped on Nike.com. But I literally slept through the release. Like, I woke up 15 minutes late and they were sold out. I was a bit annoyed because the price was really high and obviously I missed out. I really wanted them, so I guess, like, at first I resigned myself to the fact that I just didn't get them, but then I kept thinking about them and was really upset that I wasn't able to get them. So I went on the hunt and I found a seller on collect.in, which is a European-based site for shoes, kind of like Kixify. So I found a seller in France that had a couple of pairs, and we chatted back and forth, and I was happy enough he sent me some extra pictures, and so we did the deal. Got a great price, way lower than what resellers are selling. I think I got these for not too much over US retail plus ship, so I think I did okay. I wanted the LeBron Palmer 9s that came out a few years ago, but they were like completely unattainable, so this is the next best thing. And one of the main reasons I was so interested in this shoe, apart from the colorway, was that my late grandfather's name is Arnold, and he was a golfer too, and he used to talk about Arnold Palmer when I was a kid. And who can resist the old drink, the old lemonade and iced tea drink anyway? So I'm really happy to have these in my collection. I'm gonna have a good look at them, and then I'll probably make a review video with on feet. Just wanted to do the old unboxing today, but yeah, so happy I finally got them. Let me know what you think. Shout out to Casey Kicks16. I hit him up asking him about sizes, so thanks a million for that. Go follow him on YouTube and all that. And thanks a million for watching. If you like this video, hit that thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, and I'll catch you on the next vid.